Many of you heard of this topic, so today we're going to talk about it. Today, we're going to talk about what is a business blueprint and why a service business needs one. So, a business blueprint is simply an outline, step-by-step process defining the needs, the goals, and the strategic plan of a business. Blueprint can simply be an outline of drawings or even bullet points to help remind you of, like I said, step-by-step process outlining the needs. How are you going to get those items? What are the goals? How are you going to achieve the goals? Who are you going to talk to? It just touches so many parts of the business. But the benefits, besides the outline, it helps a business manage the business easier. It helps you as the business manager manage your business. That's one. The next thing is it allows you to seek opportunity, to find opportunity. And the reason why it allows you to find better opportunity is if you have step-by-step process of your needs, your goals, and a strategic plan, when opportunity comes, you know exactly, you're able to be laser focused and you know exactly what you want in that business. What are your goals? This is what I want. I'm not going to waste time over here because this doesn't align with my goals. Third, it allows you to create strategies for success. Okay, if this is the customer, where are these customers at? How do I become visible for these customers? Those are some things that are laid in a strategic plan. Once you create a business blueprint, you're able to focus on that thing. And just as an extra bonus, it even once you have your business a blueprint laid out on paper, on your computer, on your phone, somewhere where you can have access to it, it's the quickest and easiest way to earn 6, 7, and even 8 figures. If you go to JackieMcKeever.com/links, you will see the 30-day business blueprint and mentor program. You click this third link, it will take you to this page. And this is a 30-day program where we get to work together for 30 days and we lay out your blueprint. Not only do we lay out your blueprint, I personally, Jackie McKeever, will mentor you. When you go on this page, you find a little bit more about the mentorship program.